Hello and welcome to the channel, Jamie here from JP Cars. This car I just bought for £300. It's got an MOT, it runs and it's got the legendary 1.9 turbo diesel engine from Volkswagen. However, I need your help because I want to know what I should do with it. Should I take it on a road trip? Should I modify it? What should I do with this £300 car before the MOT is up? So guys, this is the Volkswagen Bora. It's based kind of on the Mark IV Golf, but it's a saloon rather than a hatchback. It offers a bit more space for the luggage and it's not quite as pretty as a Golf. But do you know what, this car, I literally love it already. It's a 6-speed manual 1.9 turbo diesel, and these engines are known to go on forever, and that would explain the 260,000 miles on the clock. That means it's gone to the moon and it's on its way back. The most exciting bit, all of this history for £300. Like, it's madness. I actually summarised it on here last night because I thought there's so much, I need to put it in order and see what it's all about. It's like last year, it had lower ball joint, tyre, rear discs, rear pads, rear right caliper, brake fluid, £613. That's twice what I paid for the car. Then the year before that, new brake hoses front, near side inner CV joint, ABS sensor, new gasket to vacuum pipe, coolant pipe, £480. Year before that, you had all the tyres done and you had a front exhaust pipe done for a grand total of £650. I got this car for £300. Yes, the bodywork's not great, but mechanically and all the rest of it, it seemed pretty damn good. And just look at all of this. It's just absolutely mad. I then found it in the glove box as well. I haven't got it out yet. VW Bora. This is all of the original information that you need, the manuals and stuff. Oh, just mad. 260,000 miles. I did realise that there's no radio. That's not brilliant, but then again, they're actually quite cheap. I thought they were going to be expensive like some of the Audi ones are, but they're only about 20 quid. And now I'm going to go for a quick drive. But guys, let me know in the comments below, what should I do with this car? I need some suggestions, I need your help, and that is the point in this video. Introduce you to the £300 car, and what are we going to do with the £300 car? I'm thinking road trip. I'm thinking like mad road trip, but that's what I'm thinking, but let me know. I've also noticed that there is no rear headrest. Right, let's just get in the boot of this one. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at those. There's a mat in there. And the rear headrests. Perfect. We've got anything else in it? Oh, spare. We've got a spare. We've got a spare. Got a wheel wrench. And we've got a jack. Oh my God, I didn't even know. It's got a 6 CD changer in the back. That's awesome. I wonder if it's got... No, it hasn't got the original first aid kit. Oh well. I honestly... The alarm works! I didn't mean to set that off. I can't believe that. Like, the alarm works. Central locking works as well. Like, that's madness. Oh my God. There's a couple of little bits in here that I've noticed, like, you know, a bit of headliner sagging here, but honestly, for £300, you just can't moan at that. Like, it's just... What a car. Right, let's go for a drive because I'm getting excited now. Hello guys, I've just driven the Bora home and that is going to be in the next video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already because this is just one of 3 new cars that I have bought this month. And we got loads of crazy car content to come. And these cars are totally different from each other. So it's absolutely, it's just amazing. Like, it's going to be so fun. Just driving and learning and playing around with all these different cars. So please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please do hit the like button as well if you like the car, because that will just be a great way to see what you all think of the car. And please do put in the comments below what you think I should do with the Bora, because I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm kind of like, do I do a big road trip? Like, that's what my head is telling me. So let me know if you would like to see a big road trip in our 1.9 TDI PD 130 Bora. Anyway, guys, thank you. I shall leave it there and look out for the drive video. That will be out very, very soon. Right, guys, I'll see you later on. Have a great week. Cheers.